Hi guys, this is Paragem Decoder. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss the conditional statements in Python. So as we know, there are the three conditionals used in the Python, like the if, elif and else. We are going to discuss today. So how we use that and what are the use, we will see all the basics in this session. So see here, first we mention the if condition. We give the semicolon and give the statement, or this is in single line, right? But we generally use this kind of syntax where we give if condition, then colon, and below that whatever our statements are there we mention, like here the statement 1, statement 2 and the statement 3 are mentioned like this. If condition is true, then statements will be executed. Okay, so we will just see the example. I hope you understand this. See syntax: if condition colon statement, or if condition colon and the statements if there is the multiple statements. Okay, see, now in this example you can see here the name is variable created here is equal to input. We have mentioned inside input enter the name. We have discussed previously how the input function works. Here our syntax, in syntax we use the if name is equal to whatever the mention we mentioned in this parag. If it equals, then print not participated in singing. Okay, so let's run this. First I will clear all the output. I will run this for you now. See, first line get executed where name is assigned is equal to input. Now we will give the input. Suppose I give here the RAM. Okay, and then what will happen? See, enter RAM, enter. So enter the RAM. Then nothing came into reply. See, I will enter the parag, enter. Now not participated in singing. So as soon as we entered this parag here, this if condition is assigned and we got the output from this print. Okay, as soon as if name is equal to this condition satisfies, we enter into the loop and we get this output. Okay, in this way if condition work. If there is another name we will give, what will happen? This if condition will not executed. Okay, see again, I will show you. Run this cell. Okay, now ABC we give the name, enter. What happened? It just we got this output. We did not got this all output, right? Okay, in this way. Now we will discuss the if else, how the else condition works with if. In if else statement, syntax you can see here, if, again semicolon we give. See, if condition semicolon, whatever the action we have to give, the first action, then else condition and action 2 is there. If condition is true, then action 1 will be executed, otherwise action 2 will be executed. Okay, in the if condition we can see if condition satisfies, action 1 will be take place. Otherwise, if else condition is satisfies, this else condition is satisfies, action 2 will be get takes place. Okay, so we can see here if condition is true, then action 1 will be executed, otherwise action 2 will be executed. So let's see the example. Again I have given here one example. See, I will increase the syntax text size. Okay, you can see here the name is equal to, we assign the input similarly as previous. Enter the name. If name is equals to this assignment operator, comparison operator is here, equal to we have used. Suppose Parag we have given, and print the hello Parag. Then else condition is given here, else semicolon, and our second action is mentioned here, print hello sir, good morning. Okay, in this way, good morning. And this print statement is given outside the loop. Let's remove this. For now only we will see this if else condition. Okay, suppose, okay, this name variable also I will keep into the another line. Okay, see, here we will run the cell. Now we will give here name Parag. Okay, let's press enter. Now this Parag is assigned to the name. Okay, name is equal to Parag is given here. Now what will happen, if name is equal to comes this, we will get this output. Okay, and if we will not get that, then we will get this else statement. Okay, let's run this cell. See, we got the hello Parag from this action 1, which is mentioned below the if condition, right? Now suppose we will run this and we change the name. Suppose ABC is given here. Okay, enter. Now we assign the ABC to this name variable. Now we will check name is equal to, if now here we will not get the ABC. Let's see what will be the output for this code. Let's run the cell. See, hello sir, good morning. Okay, we got this else statement, action 2 is there. So in this way this statements works. Now we will see when we get here, when we get here this print. See, name is equal to input enter Parag. If name is equal to Parag, then inside if we will enter with this indent here given, print hello Parag. Else statement is here, this indent is here, print hello sir, good morning. And this print function is outside this if and else conditions. So this by default will get printed all the time. Let's run this cell. Run. Now enter the name Parag. Enter. So we got this hello Parag. First we got this output as input Parag, then output from this if condition, that is hello Parag, because the condition is get satisfied, and then this is the action 2, else condition satisfied, not satisfied here because correct name we have mentioned. Okay, so else condition is not satisfying here, so no problem, it will go through the next line, and we got this print statement here. Okay, which is after the else condition, and we got how are you. See, how are you. Okay, in this way if else works. Let's move to the next part, if elif else. In general we use the if elif else kind of syntax. What is the if elif else syntax? See here, in if elif else we can see here the if condition is here, if elif condition is here, and else condition here is. What is the syntax? In if condition we have given action 1, elif condition we have given action 2, elif condition we have given action 3, elif condition we have given action 4, and else condition default action will be takes place. Okay, so this kind of syntax is here used inside the if elif else condition. If condition action 1, action 2, action 3, action 4, you can see multiple actions are there. In that scenario, we have to first give the if condition, then elif will be given for the repetitive action. If any action gets assigned here, or any condition becomes true here, then output will get. Otherwise, the flow will transfer to the next line, and then at the last else condition will takes place. Okay, if if in this scenario else condition is not satisfying, in this scenario, if all these if to elif conditions are not get satisfied, in that scenario else condition will get executed. Okay, so in this way if elif condition works in if elif else conditions. See, else part is always optional. As I mentioned right now, the else part is always optional, hence the following are the various possible syntaxes. We can use only if, we can use the if else, we can use the if elif else, or we can use the if elif. Okay, now see, I have given one example to describe this scenario where we can use the if elif else statement. See here, first we have created one name of the brand variable. Brand is the variable here. Input, enter your favorite brand. Okay, we will see the some shoe brands which are popular in the worldwide market. See, if brand is equal to Nike, okay, semicolon is given, print it is children brand. Okay, so it is children's brand. In elif condition we have mentioned here, elif brand is equals to Reebok, colon is there, it is not that much fancy. Elif brand is equal to Skechers, semicolon, print buy one get one free, and else print other brands are not recommended. So what will happen when we run this cell? Let's run. Okay, let's put the Nike. What will happen? We enter Nike here. Now what will happen? Enter. So we will get the its children brand. Okay, suppose we will run again. Now we will give the Reebok here. Enter. So we get it's not that much fancy. See here, if condition is failed, it goes to next line. Elif condition is get successful or true, we got the output from elif condition. Okay, now we will enter. See here we have in if condition given the Nike, elif condition given the Reebok, and the elif condition is given the Skechers. Suppose we mention here any brand outside these three brands. Suppose Gucci is there. See, in Gucci, enter. So what is this? Else condition gets, see, other brands are not recommended. Okay, else condition gets executed here. In this way, if elif else conditions are working. Let's see one question here. Write a program to find the biggest of given three numbers from the command prompt. So here we have created the three variables n1, n2, n3. n1 is equal to, we have given the int input and enter the first name. Here second name n2, and here third name n3. Okay, and we have to find biggest number of these three. For that we created three n1, n2, n3, and we have given the if elif conditions here. If n1 is greater than n2, See here. And n1 is greater than n3, then print biggest number is n1. Elif n2 is greater than n3, print biggest number is n2, else biggest number is L3. Okay, in this way. What will happen in this first line? Let's give the numbers. First number is 10, second number is 20, third number is 30. Enter. So biggest number is 30. We got here. Okay. Again we will run this example. First number is 50. Enter. Second number is 500. Enter. Third number is 10. See. Biggest number is 500. See here. Again we will run. First number is 1000. Second number is 200. Third number is 100. Biggest number is 1000. Okay, so this program will give the biggest number. How? This is comparing in first line first two numbers, okay, and first and third number. So whatever the greater number here we will get in the comparison with first, we will get here. Okay, then we will compare the second number with the third number, and out of two numbers we will print the biggest number here, and else we will print the third number. Okay, in first if condition we will compare with the n1, and if the n1 is greater, this will be given here. Now in second condition we will compare with the n2, and if the n2 is the greater, then what will happen? We will get the n2 here. Okay, suppose in scenario 10, 20, 30. First number is 10, second is so. Suppose here n1 is 10, n2 is 20. What will happen? n1 10 is greater. If 10 is greater than 20, it is the condition. So it will fails here because the 10 is smaller. Okay. So we'll go to the next line. Here the n2 is greater than 30, 20, 30. This is also gets failed. And else condition, print the number 30, which is the n3, third number. Okay, in this way this program runs, and through the if else condition we can come to the conclusion of the biggest number. So this is for today, and please try to solve this kind of example again and again. So thank you. I will come as soon as possible with next lecture. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye.